in Claude Cowork going to be scheduling a task, like a daily briefing. I'm excited to show you this because this is like where the power of it comes in. And we're going to make sure we're connected here. So we're going to look at that. Now, going back to the desktop app for Claude, up here is Cowork. Before we actually do the task, let's take a look at the side here. We can schedule a task. So these are tasks that repeat. When your computer is awake and the app is open, they can run. Computer cleanup every Sunday at 9 a.m., a monthly invoice for a client, a monthly analysis of my expenses every 5th of the month. I have Monday content ideas, weekly Canva content creation, and a quarterly business audit that I'm going to do right now. We come to schedule. But before we do that, what we need to do is we need to customize. And by customize, it means we need to connect our apps. So these are connectors that I have right now, and there are many more. So I have Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive. These three, whatever your email is, your calendar, and your Drive should be the first thing you should be integrating, connecting. Otherwise, you can search connectors here. Let's do accounting, for example, and we can browse and we can see here account. These are the partners that are official partners of Claude connectors, but there are other connectors that you can create too. So we have PayPal, we have Intuit, QuickBooks, Actively, Supermetrics, Marketing and Analytics, Jazz Accounting, but these are out of the box you can already use. Then you have something called skills, which are just custom instructions. So it's like hiring an employee that knows how to do the job exactly specifically for you, and that you can also customize, because the real value of skills is like when you customize them to your exact process and desires. So you have a web artifacts builder skill, internal comms, brand guidelines. These skills are maybe not as relevant to you, which is why you should just create your own. The skill that you can install from here is definitely a skill creator, which allows you the ability to create skills. Then we also have plugins, which are giving us the power of a department. So we have actually small business plugins that they just released maybe a month ago. We can have operations, we have sales leads here, Apollo, we have sales, data. So if I click on the small business plugin, it's a combination of connectors that small businesses would use. So we can see all the connectors that are included: QuickBooks, PayPal, HubSpot, Canva, DocuSign, Slack, Stripe, Square, Gmail, Google, and MS365. And we can see the skills: Business Pulse, Call List, Canva Creator, Cash Flow Snapshot, Close Month, Content Strategy, Contract Review, which is super important, very useful. I use AI for contracts all the time. But the most important thing is to make sure, obviously, that you know what you're doing. Month-end prep, month plan payroll, price check, quarterly review. So already you have all these ideas of things you can be setting up automations for with these skills and connectors. So let's say I wanted to add a connector. I would just go to connectors, search for it. Let's say it's Gmail. I already have it, but it doesn't matter. You would search it, and here you would have connect. You would click on connect. It tells you everything that it can do in your Gmail already, and for every connector you can see the same, and you have to just authenticate and you're set. So now I want my daily briefing to be connected to my Gmails and my calendar. So I've set up both. I'm set to go. I can now just go back up here. We go back, and now we're going to schedule this daily briefing.